Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be preparing for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Cyber Monday. I'm going to be making lip gloss and my squeeze tooth because those are the ones that are low in stock. Everything else is basically like fully restocked. But yeah, so I'm just preparing for Cyber Monday. I'm really disappointed in myself because I didn't get to participate in Black Friday this year. One reason was because I was away on a trip, which I did enjoy myself, but you know, I still have work to do and I didn't prepare anything, so I wasn't able to do anything for Black Friday. But I feel like, you know, I have a chance to, I guess, redeem myself for Cyber Monday. So I'm hoping that people shop with me, and yeah, I'm just hoping that I have a good turnout for Cyber Monday. So that's what this video is gonna be about, me preparing for Cyber Monday. I know the lighting's not that good. I did have my lamp on, but I don't know, it just looked kind of weird. It's kind of gloomy outside, so that's why it's like this. I have a whole bunch of gloss. I have, let's see. I have 8 packs of gloss right here. And I don't need to make clear gloss. The clear gloss is good. I just need to make Boss Bit, For Keeps, Obsessed, Gold Digger, and I'm finally bringing back Sunkissed, which I have on my lips right now. So yeah, I'm finally bringing back Sunkissed. So that was one of my best sellers. So I'm finally bringing that back. I have all of the colors right here in this bag. I probably should have, I don't know. I think I'm gonna end up taking these out and like putting them in containers or something, because it does get really messy. So I'm ready to go ahead and get started because it is like 2 something, I think, or either 1 something or 2 something right now. And I wanna have everything done at least by 4. I'm hoping for like 4:30, 5. And then I want to go ahead and edit this video and get it up tonight, since it is Sunday and tomorrow's Monday at 12 o'clock. I want to go ahead and get everything, like have everything up on the website, so if somebody does want to purchase and shop with me, then they can. And I want to have this video up by tonight so that that can be like, you know, my like, I don't know how to explain, but like my advertisement, I guess, for my sale. They're like, oh, she got a new video. They're like, oh, it's Cyber Monday. It's Monday. Let me go shop. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm about to be in work mode, so I am gonna have a video playing in the background, and well, for me in the background, and I'm gonna have music playing in the background for y'all. I'm not about to be talking because there's nothing to talk about for real. If I do have something to talk about, then I will definitely come back, but I'm about to be in like full work mode, so that's what y'all about to see, okay? Okay. Your girl is done. Excuse the mess. This is glitter and gloss. But yeah, your girl is done. All I gotta do is put the tops on. They look so pretty. So these are the 5 glosses that I started out with when I first started selling. So this one right here is for keeps. This is Obsessed. This one is Gold Digger. This is Sunkissed, and this one is Boss Bae. I got the syringes over here all closed up for next time. They look so freaking pretty. Look at all that glitter. So my glosses are vegan and cruelty free. They do have vitamin E oil in them for extra moisture. They are not sticky at all. And they're very, very long lasting. And all of these colors will make your lips pop. So definitely get your coins together and get you some glosses. It'll be very affordable. Everything on the website will be on sale. Okay. All right, y'all. So here is the Zodiac collection. So there are 12 different colors. They're all very, very beautiful. So you got the glittery one right here. You got pink, purple, got a red, a dark red, dark blue, silver, dark green with some glitter up in there, blue, purple glitters. You got light green, another blue. Let me see, did I show that yellow, like a golden yellow, dark purple, and then why is this in here? We got the mini ones right here. So I'm just showing y'all, like, we have a bunch of different color glosses. These ones right here, I'm really trying to get rid of these, so these would definitely be like for the low. So make sure y'all check the website out. I'm trying to get rid of these. These are wine tubes and they come with mirrors on the back. They do have like a sticker on them, so that's why they look all scratched up. Just peel the sticker off and boom, there you go, you have a mirror. So yeah, this is the Zodiac collection. And then of course right here we have the lash curlers, the mascara wands, and right here we have the lash applicators. And of course, here's the regular collection that I first started off with. So y'all know I still have some Simplicity in stock. And then I already had some that were already made. But as y'all can see, I didn't have a lot, so that's why I had to make some more. And of course, we have the mini collection for these glosses. Real pretty. So y'all know Christmas is coming up. If y'all are looking to get anyone some gifts, your grandma, your aunt, your cousin, your best friend, co-worker, anybody, make sure you shop with me. And then of course we have the lashes. They will definitely be for a very affordable price. Just make sure y'all check the website. So there will be a picture most likely of the lip glosses at the end of this video. Click on that picture, it will take you to the website, or go to my description box and click on the link and it will take you to the website. And make sure you shop with your girl. And of course we have the lip scrub. So this one is orange, here's blueberry, we have grape, pineapple, strawberry. So we have 5 different flavors. So these are used to exfoliate your lips and get them nice and smooth and moisturized. So if you have chapped lips, dry lips, or whatever, these are definitely for you. These are made with coconut oil and vitamin E oil. So definitely made with products that are very moisturizing. So yeah, make sure you get you a lip scrub to go with your lip gloss. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, seeing me prepare for Cyber Monday. Stay tuned because I definitely have more videos on the way. Have a lot to edit. Like seriously, have 7 videos to edit. So I will definitely have more videos coming. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my business Instagram and my regular Instagram. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. Love y'all. Bye.